what it do. It's your boy B Smooth. We back at it. Quick little update on the car right now. So basically what we're doing now, I'm installing the Digidash, trying to get some of these wires and stuff situated. Got to put a new float assembly in the tank. I'm not gonna bore y'all with a whole long video. If y'all need help installing the Digidash in a Caprice or any kind of car, let your boy know and I got you. I'm also a certified dealer for Inteltronic Digidash, so hey, let me know if you need me. Guarantee you I can just about beat a whole bunch of people prices, trust me. Alright, so I'm finna give y'all a little sneak peek and we finna go ahead and get this done cause it's cold. Alright guys, as you can see, everything working. Got the lights on, brights working, then voltage a little low, I gotta check on that. I know the interior still sucks. Got the dash in, like I say. If y'all need help getting one of these in, I ain't got no problem doing a video to walk you through it. The car actually been running pretty good. We're on the Highway 9, just cruising. You know, so do a little walk around when I get to the house and everything. Let you see how it look right now. Still got to get body work done. Got to get windshield. Got to swap out interior. I mean, the car coming on alone, man. Like y'all can see, man, I'm just cruising, man. You know, she run damn good. All right, guys. So, quick little update, like I said. This fender actually coming off here. I had multiple guys tell me too much body work, too much bondo. So it's this side, it coming off here, point blank. On the front clip, we can fix that. Snatching this off and grabbing the bumpers from over there. I mean, just about some of everything coming up off here. A lot of stuff getting dead. I have put these in, my little side markers. I changed the bulbs, put some LEDs. They have started doing some body work to the car, as you can see, quarter panel. They don't have that big ding no more. I do have a tag and insurance. Lights are fixed. Both lights are fixed. Sorry about that, guy. My phone went dead, but like I say, we're coming along with it, man. I gotta take all these seats out, all the seats, get ready to put the headliner in, side pieces, all these trim coming out. I'm gonna actually repaint the trim. I got this from off of a donor car, another donor car. Door panels, all that coming off. It's a lot that's coming off. Got the new carpet. I gotta install all of it. So, like I say, I finally got the window fixed. So it lets up and let down. I put the new trimming and everything on it. And I forgot the name of that, but I put that in as well. I mean, it's coming along. My buddy's still telling me to take the fender off. So I'm finna take the fender off and get another one from one of his donor cars. Finna take that messed up fender off, cause just too much bundle, too much body work, too much of a headache. And we finna take the trunk off because it's too wavy. It's way too wavy. But like I say, as a running wise, I mean, put a key in. She normally just fires right up. Digidash working. I gotta hook up my fuel sending unit. I got a brand new fuel sending unit. I need a adapter for the oil unit because the way my intake sits. But otherwise, everything else is running just fine. I mean, I know y'all can hear that loud fuel pump. I put another fuel pump in there. It's a Holly, want to say a Holly Red. I really hate that loud fuel pump, so I'm thinking about trying to change some stuff around and go with a mechanical. I mean, it's just a little quick little update. Nothing major. Haven't done a whole lot. Motor run like a sewing machine though. I still gotta build a power steering bracket. Gotta find some way to build that power steering bracket. Change the fan. Man, that power steering bracket gotta get built. But, like I said, it's coming together slowly. It's gonna take a while, but we'll get it there.
Different when you stop helping ungrateful people through the bad times. I kept my faith in Jesus, made believers out of everyone that said I wouldn't achieve it. They won't believe it until they see it. Yeah. If they ain't giving you the same energy, cut the power off. Cut them off. You can be full-time with a person, they taking hours off. If they acting like they built off without you, make them stand on it. Make them build about I'm ignoring all cap, but it's up there, you put your hands on me. No cap. Looking in the rear view at my past, a lot of regrets there. It's a lot of I ain't trying to kick it with you, little homie, if it ain't a chick there. It's correct. I don't need friends, I got family, they gon' step for me. They gon' ride. The main ones say they proud of me, coming up, they slept on me. They was snoozing. I know my ex is somewhere, probably telling somebody that ain't shit. And whoever they telling, probably trying to shoot their shot airball, they can't hit. Yeah, I done been finessed a few times. I done got played and now they got hurt. I done believed a few lies.